It's not just a puppet show, and it's not just a musical performance, it's a musical puppet show. Hi, my name is Tom Knight, and I bring interactive school assemblies to life with music, puppets, and a whole lot of audience participation. Library Boogie is a high-energy literacy program that gets students moving, laughing, and connecting with books in a whole new way. It's designed for pre-K up to 5th grade, and it works well for a whole school assembly. The mix of music, participation, and visual storytelling means there's something for everyone, whether they want to watch, move, or join in at their own pace. A screen can be used to enhance the visual experience, especially for larger groups, but it's not required. For larger schools, I often split the program into 2 smaller groups to create a more engaging experience, sometimes pairing this with Upstander for older students, though a single assembly is also an option. With over 35 years of performing for elementary audiences, I know how to engage large groups and keep students fully involved from start to finish. They're not just sitting and watching, they're part of the assembly, singing, responding, and helping tell the story. If you're looking for a program that supports your literacy goals and truly connects with your students, I'd love to bring Library Boogie to your school.